Hello grade 7. We are now in quarter 1 week 3A and I am teacher Gypsy Rose F. Honrado. My students used to call me Mom Gypsy. And I am your mathematics teacher for this week. For any clarification or question, you can ask your math teacher for further explanation. Our most essential learning competency for this week, the learner should be able to represents the absolute value of a number line as the distance of a number from 0. And our lesson for today or for this week is all about absolute value and the number line. So let's travel first. If I am traveling from Urdaneta to the north, which is to Pusurubio, the distance is 19 kilometers, or the distance traveled is 19 kilometers. And then, if my friend is traveling from Urdaneta to the south or to Rosales, her distance traveled is 19 kilometers also. So, with this regards to the direction that we travel, we both came up with the distance, which is 19 kilometers. Okay, so let's proceed to the number line. Number line is a straight line with numbers placed at equal intervals or segments along its length. It can be extended infinitely in any direction and is usually represented horizontally. So we have there the illustration. So that is a number line looks like. A number line composed of, so the numbers to the right are the positive integers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on and so forth. And then the numbers to the left are the negative integers, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, and so on and so forth. And then the middle number, which is 0, please take note that 0 is neither positive nor negative. This means hindi siya positive, hindi negative, it is neutral. Okay? So let's proceed to the absolute value. Absolute value describes the distance of a number on the number line from 0 without considering which direction from 0 the number lies. The absolute value of a number is never negative. If we're talking about absolute value, please take note that it is something to do with the distance of a number from 0. And the symbol that we're going to use, or the symbol of absolute value, is like this, two vertical lines, wherein you can write the number inside of it. Okay, so we have here a number line. For instance, we have the negative 3. What would be the absolute value of negative 3? And the absolute value of 3. So, when we're talking about absolute value again, it is something to do with the distance of a number. What would be the distance of negative 3 from 0? It is equal to 3. And the absolute value of 3, or the distance of 3, is 3 also. So as stated there above, absolute value of a number is never negative. Did you get it? Okay. Let's proceed to the example. So the first example is read as absolute value of 6. The answer is 6 units. Another example. It is also read as absolute value of negative 6. The answer also is 6 units. Okay, very easy, right? Another example. Absolute value of 2. So what would be the distance of 2 from 0? How many units? 2 units. Another example. How about the absolute value of negative 4? We have there negative 4. What would be the distance of negative 4 from 0? it is equal to 4 units. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next virtual instruction. Thank you!